here.
Is that Santa Claus? Oh wow, look at there. Merry Christmas.
This is the package from Dad.
It's like an inch and a half deep.
Here, Mommy.
My feet are sinking into the fucking...
Can you see the flakes? Can you see the flakes?
Yeah, honey, I'm getting this on video.
Can you take a
Say hello to everybody in Myrtle Beach. Hi.
It's really, really cold out here, motherfucker.
There's snow in my hair. There's snow in my
Hey, listen to the wind. Ooh. Don't fall. Merry Christmas! We've never had a white Christmas. We've never seen snow before.
We've never had a snow. Don't throw a snowball at me.
Hey, Mom. Mom.
You throw a snowball at me, I swear to God, I will beat you. Child, don't throw one at me!
I'm about to do it. I'm about to do it.
Do not throw a snowball at me!
Mom, hold my phone.
Stop!
It's cold. Freezing.
Hold my phone. I'm about to make a snow angel.
I'm about to bust the house.
Hold my phone.
Yep.
Ready? Oh, I need my hood. No. I'll be right back. I gotta go with my hood.
You're gonna get the floor wet. And I've got you on video.
Well, hold on a second. I gotta go get my...
Holy mackerel.
Don't do snowballs. It's really cold.
Oh my God, look at this blizzard.
I changed my mind. I'm gonna do it when...
Yeah, do it now and get her done and let's go in the house what you want.
No, I'm gonna play outside.
You're not gonna do a snow angel?
No, I decided not to.
Why?
Until the snow gets deeper.
Okay.
The snow angel can wait. Look at our boxes. Look at our presents. They're stuck. Do you still have my phone?
It's in my pocket.
Hey, everybody. Catching snowflakes in my mouth for the first time. We can make a snowman. Do you want to make a snowman?
Like a 3-year-old.
I just told Carly to do that. And I'm like, I'm fucking build a snowman or something.
Mom, the snow is crazy. Look at the snow, Mom.
I see it. I
Look,
see it.
Look.
Yeah, I see.
Mom, do you still have my phone?
Yes, in my pocket.
Okay.
Look at that. That's fucking ridiculous.
I'm gonna take... Mom, your
That's
car
gotta be
has
a-
snow on it.
Yep.
Your hood's covered. Your hood doesn't even exist. How do you get
All
in
right.
the garage? You
I'm
lock the
getting
door?
cold.